In this video, let's talk about how you can get more support gems in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and as you can see, we have just received an support gem as a reward for completing a quest. And that is one way that you can get support gems, by completing quests. Occasionally you will get one as a reward. The other way to get a support gem is through defeating rare enemies or bosses. These are the ways that you can get support gems in the game. So they can be somewhat difficult to find, but generally speaking, as long as you're completing quests and if you encounter rare enemies and bosses, then you should be able to get those support gems. And once you get them, then you can engrave them and use it to upgrade your character. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.